Hello everyone, how are you all doing? Hoping everybody is doing fantastic and great in your life. If you ask about me, I'm also doing fantastic in my life and I am Banu Prasad. I have completed my graduation recently. I run YouTube channel every single day, not only a YouTube channel but also I take spoken English classes through Zoom application where I teach, and also I'm taking group classes and also one-to-one sessions. If you are someone who want to flourish your communication skills and who want to develop your speaking ability, just approach me through email. I have given my email ID and every social media link of mine in the description of my channel. Just go and just check out and just approach me through email. And if you are someone who has started following my channel very first time, please give it a like, share and subscribe to my channel. Your one like is really giving me a lot of hope and more confidence to shoot more videos for the sake of you guys. Without wasting our time, without wasting your precious time, because I know time is very precious. So let's jump into the today's video. Yes guys, you can see the background. Again I came to my field and I love shooting videos here because whenever I shoot videos I don't get any noise from anywhere and I feel very peace and I feel very comfortable to shoot videos here. So that is the reason why I come every single day here in order to shoot videos for the sake of you guys, right? And this video is very special to all of you because in this video I'm just going to tell you few strategies which really going to help you to speak English effortlessly, confidently, naturally and also fluently, right? So are you excited? I'm really excited to share those strategies here in this video, right? Yes guys, who said that you can't speak English fluently? Who said that you can't speak English effectively? Are you thinking? Are you dreaming? Are you doubting on yourself? Do you have self-doubt that I can't speak in English fluently? No, just remove that kind of self-doubt from today. Okay, so just now remove that self-doubt from you that I can't speak in English. Instead, just try to say yourself every time that I can speak English by the end of 2025, natural English, effective English and fluent English. Because if you apply all these strategies every single day, at least from today, definitely by the end of 2025 you are going to master these communication skills. Okay, so without wasting our time, let's see the strategy number one is set realistic goals. Yes, I'm talking about set some realistic goals. That yes, there are many people who always think that okay, during these 5 months, during these 6 months, during these 4 months, I have to master these communication skills. I have to speak fluent English. I have to get fluency in this English language. Yes, I'm just asking one question here. In your opinion, what is mean by fluency? I will share my opinion. In my opinion, fluency comes under, are you expressing your thoughts eloquently, fluently? Are you expressing your feelings and everything? Are you expressing your emotions? And are you going out and are you stepping out and are you speaking at least with somebody else? Are you sharing your thoughts? Are you exchanging your conversation? So that itself is called communication and also that itself is called fluency in my opinion, right? So what does fluency in your opinion? Just let me know in the comment box, right? So this is the one step you have to take, that set a realistic goals. So setting realistic goals is very difficult, but once if you set realistic goals and once if you work effectively, once if you work towards your realistic goals consistently, and once if you start putting efforts from your side every single day, definitely there is 10% chance to reach fluency by the end of 2025. So this is strategy number one. And if we move to strategy number two is write down your goals. Okay, if you just, I'm talking about present scenario, I'm talking about your present moment, that's it. Every day just write your goals. For example, if you are someone who just want to spend listening to something in English, okay, so just write down in a book and you have to do that intently. Okay, you have to do that intentionally, you have to do that wholeheartedly. You should not force yourself that okay, today I have to listen again English. You should not do anything forcefully, right? So whatever the things you are doing forcefully, it won't come to you, right? So you have to love doing everything, right? So write down your goals. Okay, today I have to achieve this kind of fluency. Okay, today I have to listen to something in English. Okay, today I have to write these topics in English. Okay, today I have to describe about myself. So write down all small minute goals in a book and just check out. Just go and just check out before going to bed. Have you done all those goals or not today? Have you done everything whatever you have written in your notebook today or not? So just check out. Okay, you are not wasting time. So you are developing, you are progressing, you are improving. Just consider in such a way, right? But never think that okay, writing means wasting of time. No, if you are writing, so there is a high chance of thinking in English also, right? Indirectly you are developing thinking in English ability, right? So once if you start developing thinking ability, definitely, so whenever you get any opportunity to speak in English, you may not fumble, you may not get stuck, you may not hesitate, you may not get stammering. Okay, so all these are going to end once if you start thinking in English, right? So second strategy is write down your goals in a book every single day and just try to implement. So whatever the goal you have written in a book, so regarding towards that goal, try to take an action. For example, you have written in your book that okay, today I have to spend my time at least for 30 minutes for speaking in English. At the end of the day, just try to analyze, just try to check yourself that have you participated in speaking or not? Have you at least spoken for 30 minutes or not? Right? So that is realistic goal and that is your goal, right? So just never forget your goal every single day in order to reach fluency, whatever the fluency you are expecting right now. Okay, so this is second thing. And third thing, this is very basic, this is very natural, this is very common. Everybody suggests you this, even I have already suggested many a times, but again I am recommending you here that you have to develop LSRW. L stands for listening, S stands for speaking, W stands for writing, and R stands for reading. No matter where you read, whether it is offline or online, you have to develop the art of reading every single day. No matter what you write every single day, but you have to keep writing every single day, whether it is your goal, whether it is your emotions, whether it is your feelings, whether it is some conversation which you want to build up, whether it is about your education, whether it is about your parents or some other person, but you have to develop the art of writing every single day when it comes to W. And coming to L stands for listening. See, your mobile is in your hand. Just try to listen to something in English every single day. Whether it could be podcast, whether it could be any English relevant videos, whether it could be web series, whether it could be any English movie, English story, English music, English song, whatever it could be. But you have to stick with listening to something in English every single day. And mainly, which is important and which is our goal, which is our target, that is speaking. Are you giving good amount of time for speaking every single day, at least for 15 to 30 minutes or not? Just check yourself. So this is very, 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 very important, guys. Unless you speak in English every single day, you are not going to see any kind of fluency. Even though, see, years pass, days pass, months pass, but if you don't take efforts, if you don't put efforts, if you don't come out of your comfort zone, you will never achieve that kind of fluency. I am promising you that. Okay, so this is the main thing, you have to do that. You have to speak out every single day at the end of the day, and you have to cross check whether are you speaking at least for 10 minutes or not. Okay, where you are getting stuck in between speaking, so you will come to know your flaws, you will come to know your mistakes and everything, right? So this is strategy number 3. And last but not least, if I talk about strategy number 4 is input and output. Yes, what is mean by input and what is mean by output? So input means, are you consuming English content every single day or not? So that is very, very, very important. So consuming English is very important in order to deliver some output, right? So you have to consume lot of English content every single day. So when you consume lot of English content from your side, you will come to know lot of new words, you will come to know lot of new phrases, you will come to know lot of new sentence formation, and you will come to know the pronunciation, how the native speakers and the fluent speakers are pronouncing some words and everything, right? And where they are taking pull stop, where they are giving pass, and where they are highlighting, where they are increasing their intonation, and everything you'll come to know. So once if you develop the habit of consuming content, automatically output will come. right? Output will come accidentally, right? So you have to check yourself that how much content you are consuming in English every single day. Apart from that, so whatever the content you are consuming, how much content you are delivering output, how much content you are delivering as an output. So that is very, 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 very important, because you have to put efforts, you have to give some work to your muscles, you have to give some extra efforts to your muscles to speak out something in English, right? So unless you speak, unless you do all these things, you cannot achieve anything, guys. So I'm telling that you cannot achieve anything, right? So these are all the 4 strategies. Once if you start implementing, at least for today, by the end of this 2025, I am giving guarantee that you are going to achieve fluency, no doubt at all. Getting fluency, no doubt at all, right? But all the thing is there in you. So you have to focus, and you have to dedicate, and you have to give good amount of time for practicing English every single day, no matter what. And you have to consume lot of English content, and you have to practice every single day. You should write something, you should read something, and also you should listen to something, and you should read something every single day. These are all quite natural, small things, little things. But whatever the little things I'm addressing in this video, if you constantly put efforts regarding all these little things, all these strategies, if you start applying, definitely one fine day you will speak amazing in English, right? So you are going to surprise by the results you are seeing in the future by the end of 2025. Can't you speak in English? If somebody speak in English, why can't you speak in English? Somebody is putting efforts, why can't you put efforts, right? You have passion, you have desire, you have very interesting in learning this English language, to speak English, to you want to express something in English. Then why are you not taking actions? Why aren't you implementing? Why aren't you speaking every single day? Why are you thinking about the other people who are not even thinking about you, right? So just stop everything and just start taking actions from today. By the end of 2025, you are going to speak amazing English, right? Yes, this is what all I wanted to convey in today's video. Hope you guys really like this video. If you guys really like my video, please give it a like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you very soon with one more beautiful content for you guys. And if you are someone who has not started following my channel very for first time, please give it a like, share and subscribe to my channel, and keep pushing yourself, keep motivating yourself. I'll see you very soon with one more beautiful content. Till then, you guys take care. Bye.